So Boldtrail and kvCORE, if you're confused, like honestly, I was a bit confused at the beginning, then in this video, I'm going to explain what is the difference between Boldtrail and kvCORE, why did they do this, and how does that impact you? And how, like myself, a coach with Barber Coaching, and also a peer coach with Inside Real Estate, how we can help you get it set up. Why is it that the kvCORE people can help you with the Boldtrail and all of that like, okay? So stay to the end. I'm gonna make sure that this hopefully is as clear as I now understand it for you. Okay, so here's the thing. Inside Real Estate owns a few different platforms. And in order for the company, to say, how do we really become one? So this is a bit of a corporate brand mindset, if you will. Then what they do is, what they did is they're like, we have Boomtown, we have BT Pro, we have kvCORE, we have kvCORE platform, we have the core listing machine. Then they buy the back end and the front end services, so that they were like, we have all these different products. How do we integrate them into one, and how is this going to work? So the way that they did this is basically they did a rebrand. And instead of consistently saying, I'm going to update Boomtown, I'm going to update BT Pro, I'm going to update kvCORE, I'm going to update like the team platform, they said, moving ahead, we are going to have one primary CRM, the one that they're going to continue to sell and continue to build and continue to develop it, and it's called Boldtrail. And so the other thing is that they also were like, what platform do we want to make like our primary platform? And that platform is kvCORE. So that's like the foundation. And then they started putting the new features on top of it, which has become Boldtrail. So it's hopefully this is making sense, because Boomtown has been around for a long period of time, and Boomtown was created by many people, including Greer Allen. And then you had Joe and his team create the kvCORE product. And again, when they infused their companies together, they were already like, which way are we going to head down? And so they decided mutually to head down the path of an integrated product, so that now Boldtrail then has great features. And so the new features that Boldtrail has is, they call it the front office and the back office. So what does this mean? So the front office is things that, kvCORE and Boomtown were kind of missing, which is the dashboard. So maybe you've seen, other softwares or other CRMs or not, but the dashboard is one of the things that you as an entrepreneur, me as an entrepreneur and a team owner, is that when I look at the business, I need to know, what is my pipeline? I need to see it very visible. I need to see like, what are the things that I'm behind on or current on, and all of these different activities that can be a really good vision into your business, without just kind of relying on the business analytics and things that were not the most visible in that section of kvCORE. So they improved the dashboard. So that's just the easiest way to explain it. And then on the back end, if you're a big enterprise account, like I'm also with eXp Realty, you're a RE/MAX, you're a Coldwell Banker, you're Samson, you're Century 21, all the different companies that are out there that offer this as a benefit as an agent. Well, on the back end of some of their systems, right, all the commissions, all the tracking, all the paperwork, all of that kind of back end work, often they had to use a different platform, a different software, like eXp at least was using SkySlope. I know a lot of companies are using SkySlope. And so they would then they would be like a whole nother system that they would have to do that. So in a smaller brokerage, and even the big ones, but in a smaller brokerage, it's a heck of a lot easier if everything is all in one place. So if a broker can log in and see all the different activities, what the pipeline is, who's actually responding to the leads, who's not, are things trending better? Are they trending down, if you will? And these are just the high level. If you can see this in a dashboard, life is easier. If you got to dig for it, life is not easier. And so again, from a broker perspective, from a team perspective, a solo agent perspective, when you can see your business right there, life is much easier. When you don't have to have a bunch of different components, life is much easier. And so on the back end, a smaller brokerage doesn't necessarily want to have a ton of different products that they have to work in if you can put it all into one. So again, front end, back end, basically kvCORE in the middle, all new colors, and that is what they're bringing forward into the market. That is the platform that they're going to grow with. That is the platform that they have put the products together. And so here's the thing. So I've been using kvCORE since 2018. I know a lot of you have been using kvCORE for a long period of time. All the core functionality of Boldtrail is kvCORE. It just looks different with different colors and different icons and things like that. So the base foundation of Boldtrail, again, is kvCORE with these new components. And then from what I know, then they are going to slowly migrate based on whatever schedules they work out with the broker. If their current broker providing kvCORE wants to migrate over to Boldtrail, that's between Inside Real Estate and the broker, and then they will work then, if that is the plan, then there'll be like a migration schedule. There'll be a schedule at which they maybe, have a couple agents do it, and then more agents, and usually what happens is that they need more training. So as a peer coach in my coaching company, Barber Coaching, and also being a peer coach with Inside Real Estate, I'm one of the very few persons that they are trusting, that they are supporting, that they are endorsing, that they are certifying, that is a coach that you can hire us on a one-on-one with the peer coaching. Or for myself, I also have some different programs, some setup programs, some things that follow my own framework. So there's lots of different ways that I can help you out. Okay, so look for the links down below. And again, you're watching this on YouTube. As always, if you have found this helpful, please give me the thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you could do me the honor of subscribing, turn on the notifications, because that also lets YouTube know that I'm giving you valuable content. All right, if you have questions or comments, go ahead and put those in the comments as well, and I will look forward to increasing your success with us together. If you want to meet with me, you can also look down below for a 15-minute free consultation where I will see what your business use and your kvCORE use is and see how I can help you out in a free 15-minute consultation. Look for the links. I'll see you there.